This is CUBOT Note 9, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can switch the SIM card preferences on this device. First of all, you need to launch the settings. Next, enter the network and internet category, mobile network. Choose any SIM card that you'd like, it doesn't really matter in this case. And in here, you'll be able to choose the SIM card for calls, as well as change the preferences. The SIM card preferences, to be exact, for the SMS messages. And if you would like for this particular SIM card to be the preference for the mobile data, turn on this toggle. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.